I'm just about to start this Cuban link bracelet. What I've got here is 18 karat yellow gold 3mm round. This has just come from the refiners. What other jewelers usually do when they're making these type of bracelets is buy a load of scrap gold in, melt it down and try and put it down themselves. The problem with that, there's a lot of impurities in the metal. There could be solder in there, the rings could have been repaired with, we don't know what it could have been if it wasn't 18 karat gold. So it makes the metal really porous and it cracks when you point it through the mills. So at Bobby White, we only use the best fresh metal to make our bracelets. So let's get started and get this annealed.
Every day we live, oh yeah. Live it up, live it to the fullest, oh yeah. Travel all around and hit every single club. Everywhere we go, everybody show us love, yeah. Every day turned up, oh yeah. Check on the accounts and we always ballin'. Oh, yeah, we always ballin'. We don't believe in love, so we never fallin'. Every day we live with a smile. We might go to New York, it's been a while. We might fly to LA, oh wow. Airlines and we racking up the miles. Yeah, every day we ball, that's for sure. Get lit, cause that's all that we know. Turn up is all that we wanna do. Ride in the sunset, bout to cash a new check, yeah. Always looking for a good time. A little drink, might get a little wine. Hit the mall every day to kill time. Cause we ball non-stop, take a picture, yeah. Every day we live, oh yeah. Live it up, live it to the fullest, oh yeah. Travel all around and hit every single club. Everywhere we go, everybody show us love, yeah. Every day turned up, oh yeah. Check on the accounts and we always ballin'. Oh, yeah, we always ballin'. We don't believe in love, so we never fallin'. See, I be with my bae every day. Running through the checks, spending all the cake. Broke boy, man, I know you can't relate. Keep a couple G's around, I ain't gotta get my hands dirty. Baby, always shopping on Melrose. Look, what you gon' do with all these damn clothes? Do it big every day, cause we got it. I don't never need no change in my wallet. Yeah, always looking for a good time. A little drink, might get a little wine. Hit the mall every day to kill time. Cause we ball non-stop, take a picture, yeah. Every day we live, oh yeah. Live it up, live it to the fullest, oh yeah. Travel all around and hit every single club. Everywhere we go, everybody show us love, yeah. Every day turned up, oh yeah. Check on the accounts and we always ballin'. Oh, yeah, we always ballin'. We don't believe in love, so we never fallin'. Every day we live, oh yeah. Live it up, live it to the fullest, oh yeah. Travel all around and hit every single club. Everywhere we go, everybody show us love, yeah. Every day turned up, oh yeah. Check on the accounts and we always ballin'. Oh, yeah, we always ballin'. We don't believe in love, so we never fallin'.
So that's all the metal work done on the bracelet. All I need to do now is put the diamonds in. But I want to explain what I've done so far. I started with the round metal and the mandrel in the vise. You wrap the gold around the mandrel so you got loads of circles. I linked all them together and then spud it in the vise, which makes it that Cuban look. After that, I hammer it flat, put it through the mills, give it a quick file, and that's pretty much the metal work, give or take a few hours. Then moving on to the diamonds, I'm using 1.6 mils. I've got D-F colour diamonds, so really good stuff. I'm going to use around 5 carat of goods, and I think I'm going to use cut down, which is quite unusual with a Cuban bracelet, but I think it's going to look really good. So let's get started.
First round, knockout, talk of the town on the block now. Cash in, cash out, hands up, hand down. Who wanna move to man? You can't move to man. I hit him with that new Japan, samurai team, yep. I'm back with a martial art, back with a bars of spark. Shout out to my dog, come link me in the park. And we finna go hard. Come from the left, come from the right, come from the south, you don't see me in a fight. If you wanna see me, then you know it's on sight. If I'm gonna see you, then you know it's on sight. Yeah, I hit him with the, 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 nah, I hit him with the, I hit him with the what? I hit him with the, I hit him with the, I hit him with the what? I hit him with the, keep your hands up. When I hit the bell, I go crazy. Give me that belt and pay me. I keep the right hand on safety. I keep putting these gloves on lately. back in the ring, back in the ring. It's a champion ting, what? And I do that all night. If I see you and you see me, then it's on sight. I hit him with the, 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 nah, I hit him with the, 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 so keep your hands up, come on.
I'm done with it, I'm done with it, I'm done with it, I'm done with
Before I reveal the diamond set Cuban bracelet, I just want to talk about the diamond set boom grenade I made last week. It's 18 karat white gold, we've got rose gold, we've got rubies. It's fully diamond set, so this thing packs a punch. If you want to see how I made this, I'm going to leave a link at the end of the video and I'm going to leave one in the description at the bottom. Now let's take a look at this diamond Cuban link. This is my version of a Cuban set diamond bracelet. What I've done different with this one, I've done cut down setting. So that means I can get a lot bigger stone in. I get so much light going through the side of the stone. It's sitting up a little bit prouder and I think it looks amazing. Because what people usually do is grain set. That means the stone's sunk in the metal, you can only put a smaller stone in and you get like a massive metal boulder. With this one, it just looks like total diamond out on your wrist. But now I'm off to Ibiza because this has been a lot of work and a lot of setting. So if anyone's got any inquiries, email Tommy, not me. See you soon.